Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, CD player, MP3 player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.